For question 6.5, we'd like to go to this website and retrieve the time. If we look at the website in a browser, we'll see that the page contains lots of information. But all we'll be looking for is this string right in the middle. Notice that as I'm recording this screencast, the time is about 4 o'clock and the string starts 04:. Here's our standard procedure for making a connection with a web page and getting the information on it. We open the connection, get all the lines in the web page as a list of lines, and then close the connection. To begin with, let's just have a look at everything that we've retrieved. We'll go line by line for each of the lines and print it out. But remember, as retrieved, each line is a bytes object. We'll need to decode it first. Then we can print it and have a look. Here's what we get. Notice that we get a huge amount of information back. This is JavaScript and HTML, which is meaningful to the browser but not to us. Somewhere buried inside here is the line that contains the time. We can find it by adding a condition here. Let's look just for a line that contains 04:, which we know is part of the current time. If this is in the line printed, don't print the other lines. This should give us back much less information. Here we go. We can see that we get back one long line that does contain the current time, here it is, and another long line. But remember, normally we won't know what the time is. How can we get the line that we want without knowing the time? Well, let's look for something distinctive inside this line. I notice that it says make New York time default. Let's look for lines that say make New York time default. Let's see what we get back this time. Perfect. Now we get back just the line that we want. I estimate that there are about maybe 50 characters here. So these are the first 50, the first 100. If I'd like to make sure I get the time, I need, let's say, about the first 120 characters. Let's see if I was right. We'll go from the beginning of the line up through the 120th character. Pretty close. If this is character 120, then this is 119, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So if I go up only to 106, I should get only the part of the line that ends with the time. Excellent. Now, I don't want the whole line, just the part that ends with 106. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 characters back from that. Subtracting 8 from 106, I get 98. And this should give me exactly what I want. Bingo! This is exactly what we want. We've selected just the line that has the time, and within the line, just the characters that have the time.